Hello traders, let's check another past evaluation. Okay, so this is Toan's account. Toan, I think I said that right. And he has a 15k challenge which he passed, so he is now funded with 15k. Now let's see the initial performance chart, quite spiky, and I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but he passed the challenge in one trade, which is awesome. You can see this low win ratio, but if you take a look at the profit factor, the risk to reward on the winning trades is more than enough to balance out the losing trades. And yes, indeed, he only needed 1.5 or maybe 2 days to pass. And nothing wrong with that as long as you keep that risk to reward high. Let's see what pairs is this trader usually opening positions on, and it's Bitcoin, it's gold, it's Dow, it's Forex as well, so we will add varied up there, but the sample size is a bit low. As you probably noticed, we only have 8 trades to look at in this phase. Let's check the most profitable trade, and yes, it's a trade that is worth a bit north of $2,000. Again, on a 15k account, $2,000 means over 12% in profit in only 8 hours. Now it will be interesting to check this position. And yes, first of all, $6 in stop loss is an insane amount with $1 opened in lot. So he basically risked $500, close to the daily loss limit, to bank this trade. But nonetheless, as you can see here, he had $20 in take profit, making this a 1 to 3.3 risk to reward trade. So even though the sample size is small, this really tends to explain the profitability of this account, despite, of course, the low win ratio. Can't really tell much regarding the strategy because the time that the trades are open, as you can see, vary from 2 minutes to 7 hours. And as I said previously, the sample size is too low. Let's check the most losing trade as well. And this is a losing trade on Dow Jones, and yeah, this hurts. So minus $684 from the $750, which is the max permitted. And this leads me to think that we have a heavy hitter on our hands, maybe a one-to-one trader that loves to risk 4% to gain 4%. Nothing wrong with that if it works with you. Now completing the trader's profile, he uses stop losses, he uses take profits, no overnight up to now, and he trades a wide variety of instruments, and it's most likely, by the duration of the trades, a day trader. So let's go and see the phase 2 as well. Okay, so this is the phase where the trader only had to bank 5%, which he did. But what I love to see is that the win rate, first of all, significantly improved, and the 10 trades that the trader needed to take in order to bank the 5% were more evenly spread amongst the trading days that he has at his disposal. We can still see some gaps here in the performance chart, but I don't think they are that alarming. Let's see if something changed in the pair that he is trading. And yeah, no Bitcoin, still Forex, still gold. We will still stick to varied because I think this is a trader that loves to watch multiple markets and see a setup building up and taking advantage of it. Going to the most profitable trade, it's again on gold, and this time we have a 3% gain on the account. We can take a look at this trade, and first of all, what I don't really like to see is this huge stop loss. So again, a stop loss that far exceeds gold scalping standards. So day trader it is. It's not a swing trader because he doesn't really hold trades overnight. Obviously, by the time that he opens the trade, you can see here that he is trading the Asian session. Now let's see if we can have something in terms of entry criteria here. And as always, as I'm zooming, check EverTrader. You have the link in the comments. Up to $200,000 in funding, initial feedback. And back to this trade. Not sure if we are having a smart money concept trader on our hands yet, though it may look like it. He saw this momentum candle. Nonetheless, this is the 1 minute time frame. Pretty sure he's not looking at it, but he saw and banked on the fact that this level will hold, and it sure did, with a small liquidity grab here, but we had a V-shaped recovery, and then the trade went into profit all the way to his take profit. Nope. So he closed the trade earlier here manually, and yeah, I can understand this fact. I mean, given the reluctance of the market to break this high, we have rejections here. We started to have a build-up rejection here. Our trader didn't know that the market were to spike up and take all these stop losses lying up there, but yeah, starting more and more to think that we have a smart money concept trader on our hands, day trader, using smart money concepts to be more precise. Now let's check his most losing trade. Maybe we can take something about this, and yes, it's on gold as well, and not that big of a loss compared to the previous phase, only $177, so 1% on the account. Let's see what happened to basically what wanted to be a 1-to-2 risk to reward trade. So our trader noticed this point of interest right here, noticed it making a lower low and entered on the retest. So yeah, entry points to smart money concepts, but again, sample size too low to tell. Stop loss was placed above the previously most recent point of interest, so this points to smart money concept trading as well. We will add that up there, and yeah, the rest is history. Market didn't respect this order block right here, and yeah, things like this happen. It's important though that you know how to shelter from them, and you shelter from them using a standard stop loss, don't move it, and so on and so forth. So yeah guys, you have the trader's profile up there. If you want to have your account reviewed, the only thing you have to do is to sign up with EverTrader. Link in the description and in the comments. $200,000 in funding, initial feedback on some accounts, and yeah, let's show our community what it means to be a profitable trader. Until next time guys, bye bye.